When I'm working with a client, helping him create a custom business plan for his house flipping business, one of the first things I ask them is, how much money do you want to make in a given year? Because if I know that, then we can back into that, make a plan on how many deals you need to do each month to hit that goal. Well, recently while working with a client, he told me he wanted to make $1 million a year flipping houses. So on this video, we're going to cover getting rich in real estate, how to make $1 million a year that you can implement right now, just doing 3 deals a month. Jerry Norton here, thanks for joining me on this video. And did you know that you can actually earn $1 million a year net profit just doing 3 deals a month? I'm gonna break it down on this video and show you exactly how to do that. Now, before I do that, let me make something really clear to you. If you're brand new and the thought of making that much money just feels like pie in the sky or impossible or unrealistic, I want you to know that you always have to start with where you're at. And this is not get rich quick, it's get rich for real, but it is gonna take time and it is gonna take work, and it is dependent on how well you put systems in place, how well you grow a team, how well you learn your craft, how good you get at doing this business. It isn't overnight, but it is possible. And if you work at it and you work hard at it, you can achieve it. And even if you don't reach that, $1 million a year, even if you did half of that or a quarter of that or an eighth of that, you're still doing really well and probably a lot better than you can do in a day-to-day job anywhere else, right? So keep that in perspective. I want to kind of make sure that you have the right mindset about this. It's a process of building up to this. Having said that, it doesn't take dozens and dozens and hundreds of deals to get to that point. That's what's so exciting about this business. You can actually do it in 3 deals per month. Listen, if you want to make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Okay, so let's break it down. Here's how you can earn $1 million a year just doing 3 deals per month. Now, this is a combination of fix and flips and wholesales. So first of all, let me put it to you this way. You only have a limited time, energy, and effort, right? I call that your bandwidth. Now, everybody's bandwidth is different. Some people have amazing bandwidth. They're able to accomplish so much more because of their effectiveness, their ability to grow and build a team, their systems, utilizing technology. And other people really struggle. For example, I know flippers that work 40 hours a week and they do 3 deals a year. I know other flippers that work 40 hours a week and they do 100 deals a year. Same amount of time, totally different output. It's dependent on your ability to maximize the bandwidth that you put into the business. That's first and foremost. So here's what I like to do. I like to look at this business and I separate wholesale deals, which wholesale, remember, you get a contract, you flip your contract, you make some money, $10,000, $15,000 if you do it right. And then fix and flip is a whole nother level of bandwidth because now you have to actually acquire the property, you're gonna get funding, you're gonna manage a rehab, and you're gonna do marketing and sales to flip it to a retail buyer, right? There's added levels to a fix and flip that are going to take bandwidth. I'm very limited on which deals I do. Obviously, I can do more wholesales because it's less bandwidth, but I make less money. So I wanna do a mixture of fix and flips and wholesales in order to hit that $1 million goal of a net profit. So if you look at it this way and you focus on higher level fix and flips where you can make, let's say, a $50,000, let's break it down and say a $53,000 profit fix and flip. Now, if you're following a 70% formula, watch my videos about how to create your formula for your profit on fix and flips. But if you're following a 70% less repairs formula, that leaves you about a 15% of ARV, sale price, for your profit, which means if you're making a $53,000 profit on a deal and you're hitting the formula, then that's about a $400,000 house. So this won't work if you're doing $100,000 fix and flips or $200,000 fix and flips. You need to kind of move up to a little bit higher level home where we're at now a $400,000 fix and flip. So if you do a $400,000 ARV fix and flip, that's what it sells for, and you're following the formula, that's about a $53,000 net profit per deal. And if you did just one of those per month, now again, you got to build up to that, right? But if you did just one per month that earned $53,000 profit, 12 months later, that's about a $636,000 profit. And then if you did 2 wholesales per month that were earning you $15,000 per wholesale, and you got good at it, and you did 2 of those a month. Now those are, like I said, much lower bandwidth because you're wholesaling it. Someone else is gonna take it and do all the lion's share of the work. You do 2 of those a month, that's 3 deals a month, 1 big fix and flip making $53,000 profit, 2 wholesale deals making 15 each, that's 30,000. You do the math on that, that's 3 deals a month, 12 months a year, that's a $1 million profit business model. I mean, isn't that exciting? I mean, you should be listening to that right now going, you mean, if I learned how to get good at this and I only had to do 3 deals a month and I could make $1 million a year, show me another business model where you can make that much money that quickly. I'm not saying this happens overnight. This is not a get rich quick, but you can do it if you start to build your business, you start to implement, and you start to put into place the things that will allow you to grow your business. Now, what allows me to do so well in my business and not just manage my flipping business, but my training business. I have 8 kids. I'm very active in my church. I have hobbies and I like to do fitness and all these different things in my life. How do I have the bandwidth? A lot of people ask me, Jerry, how do you have the bandwidth to do so much stuff and not overwork? Because I don't overwork either. I do it by using 2 things, really good technology and a really good team, people and systems. The system I use is called Flipster. Flipster is an all-inclusive deal management platform for your flipping houses business. It allows you to not only streamline and automate and organize all of the different moving parts, but it actually finds and funds your deals so that you can make more money in less time. If you're interested in Flipster and how to use that system, there's different subscription levels. Go to getflipster.com, check it out. If you wanna make more money in less time and really have the life of your dreams, be able to have, do, be, give everything that you want in life, then subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Now, the other thing that I want you to do is I want you to watch this video. It's gonna talk all about my book that is on Amazon. It's a best-selling book, all about how to make $1 million a year in this business and how it can help you build this business, hit that dream income model of $1 million a year in this business. And I look forward to helping you in that journey, and I can't wait to see your success.